What's up everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing you how to use Embed URL callback to display videos on WordPress with JetEngine plugin. First of all, let's go to JetEngine, Metabox, and here we need to create a metabox containing a meta field where we're going to embed a URL to our video. And I leave it as text so I can paste the link. Then I press add metabox so it saves the metabox in here, and then I go to posts and add a new post. So in here within this dashboard, you'll find a section called video, which is our meta box that we have created, and the YouTube video is the meta field where we need to paste that YouTube link to. So once you paste it, you press update, and then you go to edit with Elementor. Now within the Elementor editor, you need to search for the Dynamic Field widget, drop it into a new section, choose metadata as a source, and in the meta field drop-down, you choose the meta field that contains the YouTube link. Here it goes. Now to display a video instead of a text link, we need to go to Filter Field Output and choose the Embed URL as a callback. Then within the Style tab, you can play around with the values and find the right position and size for your embedded video. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.